Israel is giving death penalty to convicted Palestinians. Is it good or bad? So hello and welcome to Come Read With Me, where we take one topic from the newspaper and break it down into a 3-minute explainer. Today's topic is from the Indian Express newspaper, so come read with me. The topic is Israel's death penalty for convicted Palestinians marks a major shift. Now there is a long-running conflict between Israel and Palestine, and we all know that. And it involves land disputes, identity and security issues. Recently, after violent attacks, Israel is thinking about a new law, mind me, new law to give death penalty, which is hanging to the convicted Palestinians, terrorists, especially involved. Convicted terrorists, especially Palestinians involved in attacks. Now, the simple summary of this whole article is Israel's parliament called Knesset is pushing a bill. Now, what exactly is this bill? This law would make it easier to give death penalty to terrorists. Earlier, such punishments were very rare. Now, the move is supported by some leaders but strongly opposed by others. Critics say it may increase violence instead of stopping it. And the key points here are what exactly is changing. See, earlier death penalty almost never used. Now government wants to make it easier and faster. Number two, why is Israel doing this? To punish the terrorists strongly. Now, to scare others, like it is a deterrence from attacking. Third, opposition is there from to the law. Human rights groups and some leaders say it may be unfair or misused. It can increase anger and revenge attacks, and it targets mostly Palestinians, which is the risk of discrimination. Then there is an international concern. Now, what exactly is this international concern? See, bodies like the United Nations generally oppose death penalty. Many countries have already abolished it. Now, what exactly is the ground reality here? See, instead of reducing violence, this may increase tensions, make peace harder, turn convicted people into martyrs, heroes for some. Now, there are multiple dimensions of this. For the first dimension is the political dimension. Now, in this, strong versus moderate politics within Israel is happening. Then there is a legal dimension, a debate on fairness, human rights and justice. Then there is an ethical dimension. How ethical is this? Because death penalty, is it morally right? Then there is a security dimension. Will it reduce terrorism or fuel more violence? Then there is a international relations dimension, criticism from global community. And lastly, there is a social dimension to it, which is can deepen divide between Israelis and Palestinians. Now let us talk about the UPSC relevance of this whole article. So this becomes highly important for GS paper 2, which is polity and IR, and GS paper 4 for ethics. For essay also, this becomes highly important. Now you tell me in the comment section below, is it right or wrong? And that is it for today. Thank you for watching.